My name's Dan Cool, and I've been a printer since 1970. And it's always been changing. We've been at Seagull Press for 12 years. My wife and I bought the business 12 years ago. Used to be offset printers, but we dipped our toe in the water with digital, would have been about 7 years ago. And because we found we were getting more and more demand for digital work, we were outsourcing. And it got to the stage where we said, well, come on now, this is costing too much. But last year we made the call to go with Ricoh. And we've been running the Ricoh now for about 6-7 months, I suppose. And it's cut the mustard. Registration colour on it is just schmicko. We went away for a weekend when we first bought the business and run a budget, and the budget was to make £2 a week. Well, we do over that in one job now. The exciting part is going to be what it's going to do next, because ever since we put the Ricoh in, we shut offset down. We hardly need it now. It's moved that balance. Our previous digital press didn't really allow us to go over maybe 2,000 clicks through. We just put through 22,000 and did not miss a beat. What Ricoh have done is they've managed to scale that cost back for us, the click rate, which has changed the way we think about how we produce work. But the biggest bonus is we can have a busy day at work, doing all the bits and pieces that come through, fast turnaround stuff. And then the long jobs, we load the trays up, start it up, switch lights off, go home. It's about utilising the technology to make it work for you. That's print. If you're not switched on to that nowadays, see you later. Our Ricoh, or affectionately known on the local area network as Ricky, we'll keep going with that press for good. It's just too easy to work with. What advice would I give to another printer? I'd probably tell him to go to the opposition, because I want to keep Ricoh to myself.